Okay, I got an unboxing here. Sony CX-675. Mechanically stabilized shot, not just digital, which is a nice little step up. Warranty stuff. Check it for that. Hold on to that baby. In English. Oh, that's a good start. Pull the goodies out first. So, that's the crust of it. There. God, I wish I got one, guys. It's a beauty. Oh, it's a beauty. What does that look like? It looks like an extension cable. USB extension. Not a micro USB, but not quite a mini USB either. Oh, mini HDMI. Duh. Okay, thanks. And a battery. Let's see if we can do this one-handed. I think it's no. Oh. Here's what you do. You do not slide it like that. You just set it on top, kind of in the right spot, and then go. That's there. Okay, so I got the battery on. I got, I think, a little charge on it, and I'm gonna try and flip it on, see how it goes. Well, it sounds good. That would be a good sign. English. Okay. Oh, hey guys. That's me. This is what I'm dealing with here. If it will focus. Not really. Well, you know what? I'll pick up the second half of this inside of you. Okay, see you later. Alright, this is the camera. Here we are on a roundabout, doing the crazy shit. What? You know. Yeah, driving and following that car. I have to blur that license plate. What's up, folks? Anyhow. Way too far in. How you doing? Nice to see you. Let me try that shot again. So this is what we're dealing with. This is what we're dealing with. So it's a really nice, steady, beautiful camera. What do you think, guys? Oh, dang. Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks for that. Thanks for that, guy. I already had this guy, right? Where is he? He's blended in. Oh, there it is. That's what happens when you live in the mountains, guys. All in all, really good little camera here. I think the motion stability is very apparent. This guy is now on record on the internet forever. I will have to blur that, I suppose. Legality reason, there was another flick. Not that crap. That was already there. Anyway, this video is turning into something it shouldn't be. This is the CX-675 in action, and I think, I don't know. I think it's pretty good. I mean, this is through a window in a moving car, 65 miles an hour. Yeah. High marks for me.
Niggas don't get hit when the straps stick for the ride click. Thug line, front line, bitch, blazing. Heavily heated, evidently gunshot. Heard it was some birds in the wide body being flown in. Look the fuck was strolling. Nigga pushing the 6, tan leather cushion in this fat booty, bitch. I got to scratch that itch. Niggas slipping swiftly. Be the ones that can help you fall. Be the keys in the roar. You bet I want to find call. I swear that like some new drawers. Before you are hit, box confirmed officially football. Fucked up beyond all recognition. Best to listen to what I'm as if I'm hitting that bong. My mouth dry, need plain water quick, I feel like a shark. In the out, busting them paper towels and wiping my wallies down. I stood up to face a barrel, he's holding.
Backing it up, now I need liquor, nigga, pass me the cup. What's up with Officer Brown? The other day he tried to shackle me up. He killed Case and now he hassling us. This motherfucker got bold, even he gone to try and patent me up. Time to re-up, let these niggas know.